It's a wet and rainy day in Springland. Where is everybody? Morning, ducks. There's Honk the car. Poor Honk. It's no fun waiting and waiting for the rain to stop. There's Woofy the dog. Honk hopes Woofy doesn't make him wet. Come on, Woofy, shouts Honk. Look what you've done. Now I'm all wet. There's Swoswoosh the helicopter. Above the rain cloud, it is bright and sunny. I hope it has stopped raining down there, thinks Swoswoosh. The little helicopter really wanted to play with his best friend, Honk. Oh dear, it's still raining under that gray cloud. Swoswoosh doesn't like rain very much when it stops you from playing with your best friend. What's that sound? There's Toot the boat. Toot is calling his little friends to come down to the harbor. Honk knew that sound. It was Toot calling everyone to come and listen to a story. I can't wait for this rain to stop, announced Honk.
Can't wait, huh? That reminds me of a story,
says Toot.
Would you like me to tell you a story? Oh dear, I think I've forgotten the story. No, what was it?
Says Toot.
Oh yes, the little caterpillar who needed to learn patience. Once upon a time, long, long ago, there was a bored little caterpillar stuck inside a cocoon, waiting and waiting with nowhere to go and nothing to do. Why am I stuck inside this silly old cocoon? This is so boring. I want to play outside, said the caterpillar. I wish I wasn't me.
Toot told his friends how every day the little caterpillar wished and wished she could go outside to play.
Let me think. What happened next?
Sighs Toot. I know, says Honk. After waiting in the cozy cocoon, one day the caterpillar woke up and she wasn't a caterpillar anymore.
Oh yes,
smiles Toot.
The caterpillar had turned into a beautiful butterfly and wiggled out of her old cocoon and flew away to play in the sunshine.
At last it was sunny again, and time to play outside. The sky is filled with butterflies, and Springland has a special rainbow. Look! Honk and Swoswoosh knew the rainbow was worth waiting for. Honk and Swoswoosh were off to find the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swoswoosh. See you next time. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, Woofy. Morning, Busy Bunnies. Morning, Lolly the lamb. Look! There's Honk the car. Lolly is trying to hide away from Honk. Boo! bleats Lolly the lamb in her biggest voice. Honk knew Lolly wanted to play a fun game. You gave me a big fright, Lolly. Do you want to play hide and seek? Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, calls Honk. I'm coming to find you, ready or not. Oh dear, Lolly didn't find a very good hiding place. It was very easy for Honk to find Lolly. Honk thinks he's found a good hiding place. Listen to Lolly. She's only little and can't count so well. Who's going to help Lolly count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, counts Lolly the lamb. What comes after 4? 5, 6, 8, no, 7, 8, 9. What's the last number again? I remember 10. Oh dear, how will Lolly find Honk? Look, there's Swoswoosh, the helicopter. Honk, why is your head stuck in that silly old hedge? Calls Swoswoosh. Did you lose something in the hedge, Honk? Calls Swoswoosh. Oh dear, Swoswoosh is going to show Lolly where Honk is hiding. Go away, Swoswoosh, whispers Honk. I'm playing hide and seek, and I don't want Lolly to find me. There you are, Honk, bleats Lolly the lamb. I'm the cleverest sheep in Springland. It was now Swoswoosh's turn to hide. Look, there's Toot the boat. Morning, Toot, calls Honk. We are playing hide and seek. Have you seen Swoswoosh? Toot didn't want to give away Swoswoosh's secret hiding place.
Swoswoosh? Let me think. Where could Swoswoosh be?
Pretends Toot. Shh! Be quiet, Woofy, whispers Swoswoosh. If you keep barking like that, they'll find me. And Honk and Lolly did. It was now Woofy's turn to run and hide. Hide and seek is a fun game for a sunny day. Who wants to play? Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swoswoosh. See you next time. It's a lovely evening in Springland. Good night, birds. Sleep tight, bunnies. There's Honk the car and Swoswoosh the helicopter. They're up late. Look, Toot the boat is getting ready to sail out to sea. Wally the whale is going on a long journey far across the sea.
Thanks for coming to wave goodbye,
says Wally the whale. Have a safe journey, Wally, says Honk. Wally's family are calling him. Toot will guide Wally out of the harbor.
Are you sure you can make it home in the dark, Honk? Swoswoosh?
Asked Toot. Honk and Swoswoosh aren't afraid of the dark. Their headlights will show them the way home. Toot doesn't have a light. How is Toot going to find his way in the dark?
Oh, don't worry about me,
Chuckles Toot.
That old lighthouse always shows me the way back to Springland.
Bye, Wally! Suddenly, it was cold and getting quite dark. Honk and Swoswoosh knew it was time to go home. It's a tiny bit scary being alone in the dark, but Honk is very brave. The wind has made the sea rough. Poor old Toot must sail on the top of the bumpy, choppy waves.
That's far enough, Toot,
Shouts Wally the whale.
Thanks for showing me the way, old friend. I think I'd better head back,
Shouts Toot.
I'll follow the light back to Springland.
Oh dear, the lighthouse has stopped working. How will Toot find his way back to Springland? Honk knew that sound. Toot needs help. What's happened to the light from the lighthouse? Honk knew Toot would never find his way back in the dark.
I'm lost,
Thinks Toot.
How am I going to find my way back to Springland?
Honk had a very good idea. His lights would help Toot find his way back home. Come on, Toot, shouts Honk. Follow my headlights. Phew, that was lucky. Toot knew which way to go.
Thank you, Honk,
says Toot the boat.
You're the bravest and cleverest little car in the world. That lighthouse needs fixing in the morning.
Look, the full moon. The wind has stopped blowing. Springland looks so lovely at night. Honk the car! The hero of Springland, everybody!
Hip, hip, hooray!
It was time to go and watch the lighthouse being fixed. It was another day of adventure in Springland. Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swoswoosh. See you next time.